full day of 0-point meals to share with you. Today I'm going to be sharing all 0-point meals to keep us on track or to put us back on track. We're starting with breakfast, having some lunch, dinner, and dessert. Yep, I said dessert because you can have your cake and eat it too. On the menu for breakfast this morning, it is salsa and vegetable egg scramble. I'm softening up some red bell pepper in my pan. Now you don't just have to use red peppers. You can use any kind of vegetable. They're 0 points. Mushrooms, zucchini, onions, anything your heart desires. Now that my peppers are softened up, I'm adding 2 eggs that are just beaten a little bit. I'm also gonna add some salt and pepper. This is a quick breakfast. This scramble is gonna come together so fast. I'm just taking the egg and vegetables and placing that on my plate. And I'm gonna top them with 1 to 2 tablespoons of salsa. That's gonna add really good flavor to these eggs. Super simple, quick, and 0 points. For lunch, today I'm gonna put together a protein, fruit, and veggie bento box. For protein, I'm gonna add some chicken. This is a bowl of shredded rotisserie chicken from Walmart. You can use a regular rotisserie chicken, or you can cook up some chicken for yourself. I'm gonna pop a hard-boiled egg in here next to the chicken to add a little more protein. I like to get this bag at Walmart of boiled deshelled eggs. Keeps it simple. For vegetables, I'm gonna add some red pepper, baby carrots for a nice sweet crunch, and let's tuck some English cucumbers in here as well. For fruit, I'm gonna add some sliced apples, grapes, and some strawberries, which I have already cleaned and chopped up a little bit here, just so I can eat them with my lunch. That is a very filling 0-point lunch, don't you think? For dinner tonight, I'm making a really easy dump and bake salsa chicken. Just dumping everything in, that makes it so easy and quick. I just pounded out my chicken. I'm using boneless skinless chicken breast, and I added some salt and pepper. I have also sprayed a baking dish. All of the measurements will be linked below in the recipe. I'm gonna add some frozen corn to my pan, some rinsed and drained black beans, some diced tomatoes, salsa, garlic. You can use fresh or minced, but I'm using garlic powder. A little bit of ground cumin. I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm gonna place the chicken on top of the corn mixture. I'm gonna pour a little more salsa over the chicken. I'm gonna cover this tightly with aluminum foil, put it in my oven on 375 for 45 to 60 minutes or until the chicken is the right temperature. Fresh out of the oven and smelling fantastic. Oh my goodness. For dessert, we are going to make a very delicious but easy banana souffle. In a bowl, I have mashed up 1 banana. To that, I am adding 2 eggs that I have lightly beaten, and I am going to probably get a spoon and mix this up really, really well. I am very carefully placing it in the microwave, and I'm going to microwave it for 3 minutes. Now, if it doesn't look like it's quite done, I'll pop it back in there for 1 more minute. I end up doing mine for the extra minute, and on the top I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon. You could probably also add sugar-free whipped cream if you wanted to. And there you have it, a delicious 0-point dessert. All right, I had my doubts about this souffle, but it is really good, and I highly recommend sprinkling it with cinnamon. It just gives it another element of flavor. It pairs perfectly with that sweet banana that goes throughout. That makes quite a bit. It's a large dessert for 0 points. If you're looking for more recipes, I have more WW recipes right here. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.